Hi, this is Becky Grumlick with the Watercolor Classroom and Tuesday Tips. This is a painting that I did a while ago and it hasn't sold, and I used to have a red barn in it and I took it out because the perspective wasn't right. But now I think that it needs something like that, like a little splash of red. So how am I going to do that? And where am I going to put it? So this is a piece of glass I got from Home Depot, taped to the edges so I wouldn't get cut. And I'm going to put it down here and paint right on top of it. Now I want to be careful not to get anything on this part. And since my paint is coming across, I am going to put some paper down here to keep from splashing that part of the painting. And I probably should put some over here as well. Okay, there we are. Now I'm going to paint, I'm just going to do a very bright red. I'm not going to try and do it necessarily with shading and all that. And to do the thirds, which, you know, right now we can't see how half the picture is, it probably needs to be back here a little bit behind these trees. So here we go. Let's say the front of it is here, going behind this tree. And the side of it goes back here. And then we need a roof. And maybe that's going to be a little bit too close to the middle. But I'll get some bleed-proof white and put a roof on it and see. Of course, I'll put it behind these pine trees. Whoops, well, that's okay. All right, there. And now you can kind of squint your eyes at it, but I don't like that, it's too far forward. So trial and error. And wipe it off, try again. So I already have the bleed-proof white on my I think I need to go a little bit further back here. I'm gonna get my red, I'm gonna put a little bit of a darker red in it. And I'm making the paint kind of pasty or won't stick to the glass. Those of you who know how to do Photoshop and all that stuff, you don't need anything like this. All right, let's try this for the barn. I wanna get that front barn shape to help give an idea. And then it'll go back like that. I'm making the paint pastier this time, which should help to not have the red bleed through into the white. All right, let's try again with the bleed-proof white. Oh, I kind of think that that might work, and of course I'll put some shadows under it to, let me just do that, get some of this, it looks sort of like an indigo blue, so that's what I'm gonna just try for the sake of this thing. And, you know, we'd have some shadow in here, and there would be a shadow that continued over here from the barn. Okay, now what I do is I take a picture of it, which I only have one phone and I'm recording on it. And then when you take a picture of it, you can look at it really small. And you guys can do that now on your phone. And when you look at it really small, you can tell if it's a good composition or not. So I'm gonna move these and see how it looks with the whole thing. Well, see, it looked kind of big, and now it doesn't look so big now that it's back there. And I might do some different stuff like on these weeds to have some more red to tie it in. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the bell, and thank you for watching.